Renovation costs haven't just increased, they become more unpredictable. When I first renovated in 2010, it cost us about 170 bucks a square foot for a fairly sizable renovation. Fast forward to 2021, it cost us $450 a square foot. And probably more importantly, it became unpredictable and we were actually $300,000 over the projected costs. And today, my trusted contractors tell me that that would even be more like 500, 600, maybe more dollars per square foot. You know, I remember having a conversation with my friend and I thought, maybe I should just wait until renovation costs come down. And he said, when have renovation costs ever come down? And you know, that really struck me. And I thought, even as prices fluctuate for things like lumber, concrete, all those kind of things, the actual total price you pay to your contractor never really goes down. It just keeps going up. Now, that doesn't mean you shouldn't renovate. Sometimes renovating is the right answer, and sometimes it isn't. What it means is you should look at all of the alternatives. You should look at moving, and you should look at renovating. A mistake isn't choosing one or the other. This mistake is never comparing them. So when my clients ask me, Paul, should I renovate or move? My job isn't to convince them one way or the other. My job is to help them evaluate the decisions. You know, I'm an engineer, I'm a realtor, and I'm a serial renovator, so I like to solve problems. I like to look at all the angles and the things we need to consider for both renovation and for moving. Because my job really is to help you make the right housing decision. And I've written a book in its first draft, Renovator Move, helping homeowners make this very critical, important decision. And if you'd like an advanced copy, if you'd like to see it and give me feedback, that would be appreciated. Please DM me below. I hope you found that hugely helpful.